guys, it's me, McKenna. I'm here today back with another video. Yesterday I posted a cool, video. So yesterday I posted a video, and I'm gonna try to do this every day, but today we're basing this on slime. I haven't done a video in a while on slime, so I have two channels actually, and on my last channel I did slime, and I don't know what happened to it. I have to find it in some way. Remember guys, I'm just my age now. I'm getting used to this. So I will put the link in the description for how to make slime if you've never made slime. Don't forget to smash that like button. Let's try to get this video to 10,000 likes. That would be great if I could. I'm all about free spirit and positivity, and so I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day or had a wonderful day. And let's just hop right into this video. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're playing with this purple slime right now, and we're gonna try to turn it red. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of red right here, because I added some of this red marker. You can use any type of red marker. I'm just using this art skillet marker, and it's huge, so it has a lot of ink in it, and it looks pink, but it's actually red. So the camera's making it pink. But I busted my lip, so I look weird when I talk. Yeah. So this slime is very sticky, and it has foam beads in it. I should have done a video on when I made it, but I was with my friends at the time, and I hadn't done a YouTube video in a while. So that's why I'm going to try to start doing this every day. I did a couple videos, and then I started quitting. Like, look how sticky this is, guys. Ugh. I started quitting more, and so I'm going to try to get back into vlogging more. So I'm just going to use my red marker and put dots everywhere.
So then you just want to, after you add your laundry detergent, just mix.
It's like a light purple. When you play with it for a while, the purple starts to fade. And it used to be like a darkish purple, but the purple started to fade. And so now it's just not cool anymore. And so I'm going to make it a different color. The cool thing about this is you can make a different color. So, when you want to play with it or something, and it just starts getting old, just make it a different color. Like, I do that all the time, and usually, when I make it too many colors, if I usually try to make it a different color, and then my slime has had enough of it, it'll turn like a rainbow, which is so cool. So it really doesn't matter. You get like one color after another, and then your slime should turn rainbow after. So this is just turning pink. I don't mind, because pink is a good color too. It's just the purple is fading, and I would like it to be darker. It's just I don't really have a darker purple at the moment. So here's the color now. There's not really a difference for you guys, but it looks like a darker purple for you guys. For me, it's pink. Oh, and I'm doing it on a cutting board because I have this owl blanket on my desk. And yeah. Sorry if you guys hear the TV in the background. It's a slime video on YouTube. I'm watching YouTube and doing a YouTube video at the same time, so pretty cool. I should have merch coming out soon, guys. I'm only something age. I'm not really gonna point that out for security reasons, but if I point that out in another video, I'll check. But if I've pointed that out in another video, sorry. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm safe and everything. I've had to talk with my parents and everything about this whole YouTube. So, anywho, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, so I'm just going to take the rest of my marker and make this whole thing red. But I cannot tell you guys for security reasons and everything about my age. But I'm something years old, and I'm already having merch out. So, the link will be in the description. Hopefully when I should have it out. It won't be in the description for like where to get it, because I haven't not figured that out with my family yet on where to get it. The only thing I figured out is that I'm gonna get it. So, ooh, and the merch is so pretty. It's all like girly merch, not kids merch. It's more like adult shirt. Like we have crop tops. We have something like this. This is not my merch, but we have something like this. It's a tank top, and then we also have crop tops, and they are some really cool things. They say free bold spirit. They say go slime team. There's blue crop tops, pink crop tops. They're just really cute, and they're for adults too. So yeah. Once I get this all mixed in, I can show you guys. But look how pink that looks to you guys. It's kind of turned red to me. Right now it looks like a darkish purple or red. So I'm gonna twirl the slime. I'm sorry guys, I'm playing with this way too much. But the basic thing is when I do slime videos and they're not like where I'm making slime, it'll usually be about talking about slime and other surrounding things, and then playing and making the slime different as I talk to you guys about it. So yeah, I'm just a kid trying to grow, and I like being a YouTuber, and yeah, so hopefully you guys will accept me for who I am. And I'm sorry that I'm letting you down. I'm being disappointing for you guys, but I like this. So I'm sorry if there's haters out there, but I just want you to know it doesn't hurt my feelings. I may seem small, I may seem young, but it doesn't hurt my feelings. And I hope you guys believe that too. Anywho, let's get the vibes back up, baby. Let's get the vibes back up, shall we? Anywho, so let's start talking about this slime. So once I make it red enough for you guys to be able to tell that it's red and not pink, I will let you guys know. I'm trying to get it to go red enough, but it's not really wanting to become red enough. Can you guys tell that that's red on camera? See, can I get a little bit closer? No, you guys can still tell that it's pink, but that's okay. Anywho, so... Oh shoot, I started using black. The black edges.
I'm just gonna knead it and stuff.
Anywho, so I don't know about what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I don't know about something. I may have a talk with you guys later. I may do 2 videos today, I'm not really sure, but yeah. Let me just get this all in. Sorry, I'm really focusing on this. If my video cuts out, I'm still going to post it. I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. If my video cuts out, I'm so sorry, but I'm still going to post it, even though it cuts out. So I'm trying to worry about it cutting out, and I'm trying to worry to make sure it just doesn't end up in the wrong spot. Like, I'm trying to talk to you guys, and it just cuts out. I don't want it to do that, so let's hope that it does not do that. It's sticking to the board. If you guys have slime that sticks to the board, I would recommend taking like a little piece and putting it on a cutting board if you like to do this on a cutting board. Never use a wooden one. Slime always seems to stick to that stuff. So, but it looks very red to me. It's just, it doesn't look red to you guys. It's more like of a pinkish violet. I don't know. It's more like of a pinkish violet, but it's still so pretty, and I still so much love it. I love it so much. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys, okay? So, now what I'm going to add to this is this. Play-Doh usually ruins your slime, but I'm hoping it doesn't ruin this one. So. I'm not really showing my teeth either because soon I should be getting braces, and I'm hoping my teeth have been hurting since I went to the dentist and they talked to me and everything, so my teeth have been hurting a lot. I'm only putting a little bit of Play-Doh.
If you put it down, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Peace. 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 Peace.
Oh, and for the shout out of the day is Mackenzie1113. So congratulations, Mackenzie1113. I got it off my Instagram. I will tag those down below, but still, I will tag those down below. Hopefully, I will. I don't know. I don't know if I really will. Here, look at that Play-Doh. Gross. Let me throw this away for a minute. I'm just gonna keep talking to you guys. So yeah. That's better. So, but congratulations. Congratulations. So I hope that you liked, and I do it on Instagram. I also do it on my YouTube, but I don't have a lot of comments. So if you'd like to comment something or say that you subscribed, let me know, and comment down below that you subscribed, and I will put you in my next shout out for my next video. Don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. I'm going to say that again. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to keep those vibes rolling, baby. We want to keep those vibes rolling. Anywho, yeah. So I think I've covered everything. Now I'm going to show you guys just the slime. I'm going to poke it for you guys and play with it, and then I will probably end this video. Okay, saw the TV. Okay, here's the slime. See if I can get my fingers out of this. It's hard to use one hand to poke when the slime's so sticky. See? I can use one finger there.
You just want to knead all the cornstarch in, and you're going to do this for about like 10 times until you get to a consistency that you like. So,
More dose.
It's already to a really nice spreading consistency, like gum or like butter slime.
So yeah, here's the slime.
Look, I already have a bunch more slime than I did before. Nah, who cares? We'll clean it up later. Don't do that again.
So I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe if you did. Don't forget to comment down below that you did that, and I will shout you out in my next video. So I will see you guys tomorrow. You all have a nice day. Bye.